Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our third one. Akadi Bank contains 150 pice coins. So number of, let's going to write number of 50 pice coins. So number of 50 pice coins, let's going to take number of 50 pice A. Number of 50 pice coins are how many? 100. So 100. Then what is the 50 1 rupee coins? Then number of 51 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins, that is, let's going to take n of v will be equal to 50. Then 22 rupees coins. So number of 2 rupee coins, n of c will be equal to 20. Then 10 5 rupee coins. So number of 5 rupee coins, n of d, how many? 10. So 10 rupee coin. If it is equal, likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. What is the probability that the coin will be 50 pice coins, will not be a 5 rupee coins? So if you do all that things, so total coins, if you add total number of coins, total number of coins, let's going to take total n of t or n of s, whatever it is. So 150, 180. So if you add all these coins, so total number of coins n of t, number of coins 100 coins, 50 coins, 20 plus 10, we will get it as 180. So this is the total number of coins, 180 coins. Then what is they're asking here? So first one, so let's going to take first one here, first one. So will be a 50 pice coins. So probability of getting, so probability of getting or upside down, what they are asking here, probability that getting the 50 pice coins. So probability of getting 50 pice coins. So 50 pice means probability, here 50 pice is A, probability of A. So we need to take this one, probability of A getting the 50 pice coins. So let's going to take, that will be equal to, so n of A by n of t. So number of 50 pice coins by total number of coins. So that is 100 by 180. 100 by 180, 0, 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is the getting probability of getting 50 pice coins. Then second one, what is that? Will not be a 5 rupee coin. So not be a 5 rupee coin. So this is the, what is that? 50 pice coin. 50 pice coin. So not BA, that is P of 5 rupees coins, where it is 5 rupees coins, we are taking that D. So P of D bar. So this is the probability of getting not getting a coin, it should be not 5 rupees coin, not 5 rupees coin. So what you can write it, so P of D bar will be by using a formula 1 minus P of D. So probability of getting D. So P of D is nothing but what? So P of D is nothing but probability. So probability of getting 5 rupee coin. So that is P of D bar will be equal to P of D bar. What is that? 1 minus P of D, 1 minus P of D. So that will be equal to 1 minus P of D is nothing but P of, that is N of D by N of T. That is number of 5 rupees coins minus by number of total coins. So N of D is 10 by total is 180. So that will be 180 minus 10 by 180. So we will get it as 170 by 180. So here 0, 0 will going to cancel. That will be equal to 17 by 18. So this is our answer, 17 by 18, that is P of D bar, that is not 5 rupees coins. Then what is our next question is fourth one. Let's going to take fourth one. I'll finish it here only. So fourth question is, Gopi buys fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. See the figure. Then what is the probability that fish taken out a male fish? So whatever the thing they are given, that all leave out. So its main concept is total number of fish in the tank. So number of male fish and number of female fish. So number of male fish. So male fish, that is n of m. So number of male fish here 5. Then what is the next one? Number of female fish. Number of female fish, n of capital F, female, right? For that F, that is 8. So here total fish, total number of fish, n of t, total 5 plus 8, we will get it as 13. So we will get it that total fish 18. So that is 13. Then what is the question? Probability of getting fish taken out of male fish. So what is the probability? Let's going to take probability of getting male fish y taken, that is probability of capital M, will be equal to, so number of male fish by total number of fish. So number of male fish by total fish. So number of male fish, that is number of male fish by n of t. So number of male is 5 by 13. 5 by 13. So this is our answer, number of male. If it is a probability of getting female means, so probability of getting female fish, that is number of female fish by number of total fish, that will be equal to 8 by 13. So this is female fish. They are not asked, but I am explaining. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.